Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys that are trying to find the horn fuse on Ford F-150, that generation from year 2009 to year 2014. Stay with us, we'll explain where that horn fuse is located, where you can buy cheap fuses from, and why it's always a good idea to test fuses so you don't waste your money and time. All that will be covered today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else, guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work, guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now, if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. Now we will demonstrate where that horn fuse is located on 2012 Ford F-150 that we have right here, guys. Another thing, you have, guys, two fuse boxes. The main fuse box will be located under the hood in the engine bay, right above the radiator. That's your fuse box, that's the cover there. But you have another fuse that's for the body control module, practically everything inside the vehicle. And the horn right here, guys, the fuse for that will be in that fuse box under the glove box on the right side in the passenger foot well. And where that kick panel is, you remove that plastic there, you open it, and you're going to see your fuse box right there. We took a picture, we zoomed it, so we can clearly show you guys where each one of those fuses is located. Let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays first. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse that we will need to check will be, that's the first row from left to right, second row. So we need the second row here, and you see that relay? Right under that relay you have a 20 amp fuse. That first 20 amp fuse is known as fuse number F22. This is your fuse for the horn. If your horn does not work, that could be the reason why. Another thing that can cause the horn not to work could be a bad switch, bad horn. It's really easy to test horn, by the way, or bad cock spring. But the number one thing that we see is a bad fuse. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.